Welcome back, friends. As we have discussed earlier, we are going to start an online quiz from chapter 5, that is Fundamental Unit of Life. This quiz will be of 20 mark, having 20 questions, which means each questions carry 1 mark. Before we begin, let's have a look into the instructions. Okay, there are certain instructions you have to follow. Take a notebook and pencil, okay, whatever you want. Note down the correct answer in the book. 1 minute for each questions. I have allotted 60 seconds to each questions, and each questions carries 1 mark. Okay, here we go. All the best, give your best. Okay, there is a timer here in every questions. Let's start. Powerhouse of the cell. Question number 1. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Option 1, Golgi apparatus. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum. Option D, ribosomes. Here is showing the timer. Question number 1, powerhouse of the cell. Option A, Golgi apparatus. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum, and option D, ribosomes. Time's up. Write down the questions. Question number 2, suicide bag of the cell blank. Option A, Golgi apparatus. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, lysosome, and option D, ribosomes. You can note down the answer. Question is very easy. I repeat the question. Suicide bag of the cell. Option A, Golgi apparatus. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, lysosome, and option D, ribosomes. Okay, I have given 40 seconds to these simple questions. This one also 40 seconds for this question. Question number 3, protein manufacturer site. From the following: option A, vacuole. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum, and option D, ribosomes. I repeat the question. Question number 3, protein manufacture site. Option A, vacuole. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum, and option D, ribosome. Chromosomes are located at blank. Option A, vacuole. Option B, cytoplasm. Option C, nucleus, and option D, ribosomes. I repeat the question. Chromosomes are located at option A, vacuole. Option B, cytoplasm. Option C, nucleus, or option D, ribosomes. Question number 4. Question number 5. The process of plasmolysis in plant cell is defined as: option A, breakdown of plasma membrane in hypotonic solution. Option B, shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic solution or hypertonic medium. Option C, shrinkage of nucleoplasm. Option D, none of these. I repeat the options. Breakdown of plasma membrane in hypotonic solution. B, shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic medium. C, shrinkage of nucleoplasm, and D, none of these. Question is very easy. Just read twice or thrice, then give the answer. The process of plasmolysis in plant cell. Time's up. Question number 6. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. There are 4 options. Option A, plant cells have cell wall which animal cells do not. Option B, plant cells do not have vacuole while animal cells do have. Option C, plant cells have only cell membrane while animal cells have both cell wall as well as cell membrane. Plant cells have more plastids while animal cells have few plastids. Okay, you have to tell the difference. If you do not have time, take the screenshot and answer it later. Question, time's up. Question number 7. Which is the largest cell organelle present in plant cell? Which is the largest cell organelle present in plant cell? Option A, nucleus. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum. And option D, mitochondria. I repeat the question. Which is the largest cell organelle present in plant cell? Option A, nucleus. Option B, chloroplast. And option C, endoplasmic reticulum. And option D, mitochondria. Question number 8. The barrier between protoplasm and outer membrane in an animal cell is. Okay, repeat the question. Barrier between protoplasm and outer membrane in animal cell. Option A, cell wall. Option B, plasma membrane. Option C, nuclear membrane. And option D, cytoplasm. Question number 8. The barrier between protoplasm and outer membrane or outer environment. Cell wall, plasma membrane, nuclear membrane or cytoplasm. Question number 9. Colorless plastids are known as. I repeat the question. Colorless plastids are known as. Option A, chromoplast. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, leucoplast. And option D, protoplast. I repeat the options. Option A, chromoplast. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, leucoplast. Or option D, protoplast. Question number 10. Animal cell lacking nuclei would also lack in. I repeat the question. Animal cell lacking nuclei would also lack in. Option A, ribosome. Option B, lysosome. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum. And option D, chromosome. Think twice before giving the answer. Animal cell lacking nuclei would also lack in. Here are 4 options. You can choose one of them. Question number 11. Which of the following are examples of prokaryotes? Option A, algae. Option B, fungi. Option C, bacteria. Or option D, protozoa. I repeat the question. Which of the following are examples of prokaryotes? Option A, algae. Option B, fungi. Option C, bacteria. Or option D, protozoa. The protein and lipids are manufactured by A, endoplasmic reticulum. B, Golgi apparatus. C, mitochondria. Or D, peroxisomes. Option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, mitochondria. Or option D, peroxisomes. I repeat the question. Protein and lipid are manufactured by. Question number 13. Packaging and dispatching of synthesized material is done by blank. A, endoplasmic reticulum. B, Golgi apparatus. C, mitochondria. Or D, peroxisomes. I repeat the options. Option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, mitochondria. Or option D, peroxisomes. Question number 14. Choose which one is incorrect. I repeat the question. Choose which one is incorrect. Golgi apparatus is involved with formation of lysosome. Option A. Option B. Nucleus, mitochondria and plastid have DNA, hence they are able to make their own structural protein. Option C. Lysosomes are called the suicide bag as they eat up their own cell. Option D. Cytoplasm is known as protoplasm. You have to choose incorrect one. How many chromosomes are there in a human chick cell? I repeat the question. How many chromosomes are there in human chick cell? 23 chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes, 46 chromosomes or 2 chromosomes. I repeat the option. Option A, 23 chromosomes. B, 23 pairs of chromosomes. C, 46 pairs of chromosomes. Or option D, 2 chromosomes. Human chick cell. Question number 15. Now question number 16. Which cell organelles have its own DNA and ribosomes? Question number 16. Which cell organelle have its own DNA and ribosomes? Option A, vacuoles. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, mitochondria. And option D, both B and C. I repeat the options. Option A, vacuole. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, mitochondria. And option D, both B and C. Question number 17. Genetic material is present in option A, vacuole. Option B, lysosomes. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum. Or option D, nucleus. I repeat the options. Vacuoles, B, lysosomes, C, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus. Option D. Genetic material is present in option A, vacuole. Option B, lysosome. Option C, endoplasmic reticulum and option D, nucleus. Question number 18. The types of endoplasmic reticulum are. The types of endoplasmic reticulum are A, SER. Option B, RER. Option C, EPR and option D, both A and B. I repeat the options. Option A, SER. Option B, RER. Option C, EPR or option D, both A and B. Endoplasmic reticulum. Types of endoplasmic reticulum. Time's up. Question number 19. Lipid synthesis is done by option A, vacuole. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, SER or option D, both B and C. I repeat the questions. Lipid synthesis is done by option A, vacuole. Option B, chloroplast. Option C, SER or option D, both B and C. The last question, question number 20. Full form of DNA. Option A, deoxyribonucleic acid. Option B, deoxynucleic acid. Option C, D-nucleic acid. Option D, all of these. Read the options carefully, okay? I repeat the question. What is the full form of DNA? Time is running out. That's over. So thank you very much guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. Answer key will be available in the comment box as well as in the description after 30 minutes of this quiz. Okay, so till then, stay tuned. I Ashok Wakela. Thank you very much for the watching, guys. Thank you.